Class, your new topic is estimating sum. In this time you can see there is a sum. It means we are talking about sum. But what is the meaning of estimating? Estimating means we are taking the round figure. You all know rounding off to nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000. So we will take those numbers. Round off. We will do round off. Now class, I am taking the example of 235 plus 629. Add them. This is 864. So tell me, this 864 is a particular sum of these two numbers. Understand? But if I am talking about estimating sum, the meaning is you have to take it in the round figure. So round figure is actually that kind of figure which is not the particular figure. This is your particular figure. Understand? In round figure, why we use round figure? To remember the digit. It means 864, very near to this digit is 1000. So it's very easy to remember 1000. That's why we are using this estimating word. Understand? One more example I will take. 2465 plus 3345. 5810. So tell me, this is the sum of these two. This is a particular value. But if I am talking about round figure, what is the meaning of round figure? Estimation. So what is the round figure? 5810. 5000 is particular and this 810 is very near to 1000. It means approximate value is 6000. Understand? So this is your estimation sum. This is called your estimation sum. Very easy to understand. Question number 4th, B part for you. The question is, company manufactured a total motorbikes in 3 years. In first year, it manufactured 33,400. In second year, it manufactured 42,500. So they are asking in third year how many bikes they produce. So class, understand, company manufactured a total motorbikes in 3 years. That is ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 1,25,688. In first year they manufactured 33,400. In second year they manufactured 42,500. Now they are asking you in third year how many bikes they manufactured. So class, understand, they gave you total manufactured bike, they gave you the bike manufactured in first year, they gave you the bike manufactured in second year, and they ask you how many bikes manufactured in third year. So this is the manufactured bike in first year, second year, this is your total bike manufactured in all these 3 years. So how you calculate the third year manufactured bike? For that, add these two. So sum of these two is 75,900 plus third year manufactured bike, that is equal to 125,688. Now it's very important class. This is your unknown value. Understand? And these two are known numbers. So how you calculate? third year manufactured bike means 125688. Now class, how to solve these two? For that you have to understand one thing. This is known value, this is also known value, and this is your unknown value. So understand, this is your equal sign, put your unknown value in one side and known value in another side. So this is your known value, this is your unknown value. So put this unknown value in the left hand side and known value in right hand side. So this is also a known value and the symbol of this known value is plus. So remember, don't forget, when you take any known value from left to right or right to left, change its symbol. So in this time I am taking this from left to right, so change its symbol. Understand? So what is the answer? 125688 minus 00957. So your answer is 49,788. So what is the meaning of that? In third year manufactured bikes equal to 49788. Understand?